Hey guys, good morning. So this is a video that I've been wanting to make for a while, and I pretty much knew that WallStreetBets was going to come to this as soon as the pandemic happened last year. WallStreetBets is complete shit right now. Well, not right now, it's been shit. And it got even more shit after the whole GameStop thing happened back in January. I have 100% stopped looking at anything WallStreetBets on Reddit. I think it's an absolute shit sub. If I do any research on WallStreetBets or look up new tickers, I generally just do the opposite, and it makes money. But I think that, because you had such an influx of new traders coming in, or just new people in general coming into WallStreetBets, the quality of posting has gone down tremendously. Where before you can actually have, somebody post a ticker and a month later it goes up like 100, 200, 300%. You definitely see a good amount of gains pre-pandemic, right? And I think that because there's been such a mass influx of, new people coming in ever since the pandemic happened, people, regular people had nowhere to go. So they just had, they had extra money and they went to WallStreetBets, and people just started going in hard. And then the whole GameStop thing happened, and then you have a whole bunch of new traders that don't know absolutely shit, and everybody's just posting memes and random stuff that nobody knows what to talk about. So it's like statistics, right? If you have 10 people in a group that are relatively really solid at what they do, right? It's just 10 people, and all they're doing is just kind of chatting back and forth about what they think, what's going on. If these 10 people know exactly what they're talking about, if these 10 people are, race car drivers, then, the amount of information that involves, racing or raising cars is going to be, to the point where it's almost 100% absolute, right? Not 100%, but it's going to be very close. But then let's say racing gets extremely popular with just in the general public, and you have 1,000 new people in that group. What happens to this, to the solid content or to the solid research that these 10 people, did? Now you have, you have racing being extremely popular, but, the original DD that you would actually go to these 10 people is gone, absolutely gone. And it's diminished by the other, 90% of new people that came in. And they're basically talking about, oh yeah, these tires are good, these tires, blah, blah, blah. It's just an analogy, right? Just giving you guys an example of what WallStreetBets has turned into. So another sub that I've actually been frequently more is WallStreetBets OG. And, I wanted to keep it to myself because I don't want it to turn into WallStreetBets. But that's really the only other reputable sub as far as, what the old WallStreetBets was like. Because I enjoyed it, right? I enjoyed the old WallStreetBets, and not even, pre-pandemic, but pre that. I've been, it's been insane to see WallStreetBets grow from the last 6, 7, 8 years. It was completely different now to what it was. But yeah, just don't use WallStreetBets. You're gonna lose money. You guys, everybody in WallStreetBets is fucking stupid, man. And all these posts that I've been seeing are absolutely horrible. And whoever's still using WallStreetBets and you're losing money, it's your own fault. Sorry to tell you that. But those are just facts, man. WallStreetBets is pretty shit right now, or has been, and probably will be, and it'll stay this way for forever. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.